Good morning, good morning. Good morning, everybody. Hi, my name is Allison Reed. I'm Program Coordinator for STEM Nola, STEM Global Action. Grambling University, sponsored by Sodexo Magic, doing Buoyancy and Density. Kindergarten through second grade were able to do sailboats. Third through sixth grade did swamp boats, and 6th through 12th grade were able to do pontoon boats this afternoon.
We're going to literally just show you how buoyancy works in a hands-on model. It's really cool.
Perfect. Now we're gonna see how many rocks it takes for my boat to sink. Oh, it's still floating. Oh my goodness.
So I feel like this event was a great opportunity to keep children interested in STEM so that, when they get to college, they can be able to, take up STEM majors. And so then the density is going to be different in all of them because we added the same amount of water.
Water doesn't go down when you pour the water.
Because of the density of the substance that's in it, which is the sugar.
Blue has the most density.
The density is the can because of how heavy it is, and the buoyancy is the balloons.
And it floats. Today we made boats, and we used motors, and we made foam for the base to make it float.
And today I learned how to build a boat and buoyancy. My boat won because it wasn't too heavy or too light, and my motor was fast.
Yeah, we had an amazing event, amazing turnout today. Yeah, it's awesome.